Hey guys, Two-Tan Traveling Tony back at it once again. Sorry I've been away from YouTube for, I don't know, a week, maybe two. But anyway, let's see. So I just got back from Hawaii and Hawaii was great. I wish I could show more of Hawaii with you guys, but yeah. So let me bring it back to that Thursday. So this is what happened. We got up early, drove to the North Shore, then we went on our shark dive early in the morning, like 9 a.m. Anyway, so we did the shark dive, got phenomenal footage, had my GoPro there. I was like 3 feet away from Galapagos sharks, which was freaking amazing. Amazing, phenomenal. Would have been great footage. So we get back to the island after swimming with the sharks for maybe a good 30-45 minutes, 3 miles out, about 350 feet deep in sea level depth. So that was really cool. Met some pretty cool people too. Shout out to them on the boat. You guys are awesome. Josh has a point of view GoPro footage. He said that he had like technical difficulties with his snorkel, like he couldn't breathe. But honestly, I think he was a little bit scared. But don't tell him that, okay? All right. Anyway, we get back to the land, the land, and then we drive over to Waimea Valley, and we do an awesome hike through like some gardens and stuff and a lot of plantations. It was awesome. Got a lot of good footage of there, and then at the very end of the valley of the hike, it's probably like a mile hike, was an awesome epic waterfall, like waterfall just pounding, and there's like a freshwater pond, and it was just amazing. So I got in there, got my GoPro, had some awesome footage right underneath the waterfall, and it was just loud, thunderous rumbling, and it was amazing. So we get back, and then we go over to Waimea Bay, where you jump off the rock and into the ocean. That was super cool. Got some pretty awesome footage of me doing like super crazy spins. I think like 360, 540s, maybe even 720s, but I don't know. Anyway, and then Josh jumped in with my GoPro on handheld, and he gets back, gives me the GoPro. So I go back up the rock, and then I jump off it. I extend the arm, the pole, and I went down. GoPro went up. I lost the handle on it. So I'm not so mad that I lost my GoPro, but I'm very sad that I've lost the film and phone number and my name on the GoPro. So if you're ever in Waimea Bay, maybe for scuba diving or snorkeling or jumping off rocks and you feel like a stick or a camera, a GoPro, grab it. It might be mine. Call me. Yeah, so bummer. But anyway, I created a video of Josh's point of view, so let's check it out. Shark dive, Josh's POV. Toodles.
Like, you need to put that right there. You put your hands on right there. Okay, stop. And once you're all situated, slide your touch here, and slide right out. Alright, so fine. You can do it. You're gonna get in the water and swim right around the pin, and everyone's right over there.
Look under.
Like I said, it's a water group, you guys are gonna have fun. It is a different story when it's not clear. To your right. Alright, you're up. Oh, I'll just have a seat down there.
Appreciate you, sir.
I think it's because I smoked too many cigarettes. As soon as I jumped in, a bunch of seawater went into my snorkel.
Right now, try to exhale.
You're an asshole. There's a, I don't know what it was, pretty good size one came up right underneath me.
Fish?
Yeah, no, it was a shark. And then my buddy grabs my leg and pulls on it. It made me suck in a bunch more water because I went too far under.
Hold on.
Random.
AKA who? 210.
210 Timmy Tom Jr.
Way to go, 210. Tommy Jr.
210 Traveling Tony. Like and subscribe.